Now we're going to review how to properly post a treatment to your Avamark record. So I'm going to go to my whiteboard schedule and I'm going to post everything I just did. So under Good Dog, start, I just walked, I gave metronidazole, and I also did the Cernia injection. And the way that we want to do these is to highlight and post. There are other ways to post to the record, but this is the way we'd like everyone to try and do it. Like I said, it's highlight and then post. So I gave the metronidazole, so I'm going to post that to the record. And then every time we post anything to the record from Whiteboard, F5 notes should always be updated every single time. So to do that, I'm going to go to my notes. I'm going to put my time date stamp, and I'm going to say what I did. So I gave 1 tab in lean treat. And this does a couple things. It lets other treatment room nurses know that the patient takes medications well in lean treats, and it also makes sure to double check that we are giving the right dose, which is 1 tablet of 500 milligram Metro. So done. Now I have completed that one. I can go show you how to properly post injections. Injections are a little bit different than everything else, so they do need to make sure to be posted with special care. So I'm going to go to Good Dog, go to my record, highlight post. Your inventory window will pop up. You're going to want to put the amount you did, which is 2.5 mils. Press done. And as you'll be able to see on this left-hand side, it's just going to give you the baseline price for an injection. Most of us know that Cernia goes by inventory and weight, so the injection should be a lot more costly than this. So every single time you do have an injection, after you post it, you're going to need to go to the inventory window. It's a flaw with Avamark and Whiteboard itself, so just make sure you always do this. You go to your inventory window, hit it, and then you select done. And now you can see that the price has changed to $51.80, which is the correct amount. So like I said, every time you post an injection, even if you think it is only going to be that $30.23, please always just double check. So make sure it's highlighted, hit your inventory window, and select done, and it will update your price. Then I'll put my notes in for this one, and I'll say administered sub-Q right shoulder. Okay, and now I'm going to go over how to post a walk. Your weight checks and your walks are a little bit different when it comes to your F5 notes compared to all the other ones, because there is already a pre-made glossary for that. For your weight check, it's going to be the AM glossary, hospitalized AM glossary, and it goes over, as you can see down here, weight, temp, and it does a couple other things, just your regular vitals in the morning. And then for your walk, it's going to be similar. Let me open that up. So we walked Good Dog, post it. And then now I can put in my F5 notes. Before I even do that, I'm going to fill in these blanks. I see a lot of these left undone, and it's just a very simple, easy thing to do, so please always remember to fill these out. So you might be like, okay, urinated, defecated, what other notes do I need to do? There's still more to be said. I put my time date, view glossary, and then hospitalize patient observation notes. This is going to be for whenever you walk them. And I'll put that in. Now you can kind of edit to what actually happened. You don't have to leave all these in. So I'm just going to leave the 2 that pertain to this pet right now. And urinated, sorry, yes. BM score, his stool was a little bit loose, so I'm going to say what it is. It was a 6. No mucus or blood noted. And that's how you put in your posting for our Whiteboard treatments.